Hey guys, in this video you will learn about the distributive property and how to use it. So how does the distributive property work? Today we'll tackle several exercises and examples, and we'll also compare equal and unequal identities. For instance, if we bracket out A from a sum, we must multiply A by each of these terms, and also B has A. When there is a subtraction inside the bracket, we simply keep the sign when multiplying by the number. Or, let's say if we have an x or c or b or z, we keep the negative sign, but in reality, subtraction, as you might remember, is the same as addition, except that which comes with a minus sign is like we're adding a negative number. Yes, a negative number or negative. For example, x. Well, take this as an example where we have only two terms, but if we have three terms like here, we'll multiply by b, by c, by d, and then add it up. Let's see how this works. For example, here, 3y plus x plus y is the same as 3y times 3x plus 3y times y. But if we're given x and y, then you should think about what's easier for you. That is, if I substitute x and y here, then first we'll add, then we'll multiply. But if we do it here, then there will be three steps, as it were. Multiply, multiply, add, yes, which is more effective. Of course, here. Yes, it's the same thing. What if we were to write it like this? 3y, 1 plus 5, substitute. Yes, first we add, that is 3y. What is 0.5? It's half, yes, 1/2. That is, we need to take exactly half of 7. What number do we need to multiply by 2 to get 7? It's 3.5, then we transfer the plus, the sign. Here we have the sign. Be sure to remember that you need to keep an eye on the sign. 7 for x, 7x. The following example, 15y is smart on in parentheses. Subtraction x is 0.1. So let's see. First we need to make sure to keep the sign. Remember that there will be a minus here. Yes, 15x, well, you can. Write 15xy because we have already learned the displacement property. If anything, it will be here, it will pop up in the video, and will also be in the description. xy, then keep the sign minus and need 15y 0.1. If we multiply by 10, then we have to move a comma or add a 0. Yes, if we don't have a fractionating integer, but if we have 0, 1, yes, 0, 1, 0, 0, then should wrap a comma. Let's say we don't have a comma here. Yes, but what does that mean? It means that it comes immediately after. Yes, as it were. We do not write, it's 15, 0, for example. Yes, we have to move it somewhere, to the right or left. Write in the comments, right or left. Left should be moved. So instead of 15i, we will have 1.5 iy. We still have it. We don't touch it. It just happened. Good. Here we have a minus. What does it mean? It means that each term in this sum, what's in parentheses, we're simply going to change the sign of everything. That is, if it's positive, it becomes negative, and positive will be negative, negative becomes positive. But in addition to this, we need to transfer the sign of each of these terms in the sum. That is, for instance, if we have 100, there's a comma here. We need to move it to the left, meaning instead of 100, we will have 10a, but we have minus 10a. I see, yes, we had 100a. And we didn't touch it. Instead, we shifted the comma to one position, 0.1. Yes, that's how multiplication works. Here, minus 10a. Here also, we need to change the sign. Minus plus. Hence we transfer, change the sign to minus, then 10b. We move the comma, here we get, yes, 1b. But when we write 1b, we say we write 2b, 3b, but we don't write 1b, we just write b, it's the same thing. Yes, that is 1b is the same as b. Why should we write it down then? It's a waste of ink and we'll end up with a positive here, because when we change the sign, we get 0. Seven within brackets if we multiply it. So if we double each of the terms, what will we get? X plus 2x7 equals sign 14. What does that mean? This does not equal that, so it is untrue. Next, a plus b in parentheses multiplied by 2. What do we get? To be 2a plus 2b. Yes, absolutely correct. Everything is correct here. Now 15a, a equals 25, which is very strange. Yes, if we subtract it from a, what do we end up with? 0, but 15 times 0 is still 0, so it's not true. 25, if it was here, but then it would be true here. 6x, I in parentheses, so let's multiply. Yes, 6x. Keep the sign 6y, 6x, 6y. Yes, that's absolutely right. Bye, everyone. Bye.